Today on Loki Lights, we say goodbye to the Speed Demon 4K headlights. These are good lights, I loved them. I'm actually running these in both Loki and the ZJ. But with technology, you know, you gotta stay on top. And that's what Speed Demon's doing with the new 5K series. We're gonna take a quick look at these guys and see why they're better. And let me tell you, I love them. Stay tuned. They're brighter, they're smaller, they're plug-and-playier, and they're also waterproofier. Whoop. Now most headlight bulbs out there are generally IP65, which is technically water resistant. I don't know if you've seen everybody else's waterproof videos, but they seem to only be 10 seconds long. These are IP67s. Inside, of course, comes with the instructions. These are for all the different bulb styles, so make sure you do find your bulb size here. Just as I imagine, it's plug and play. The only time you're ever going to really have to adjust anything is for rarely the H7. And these also have an adjustable beam, so it does tell you how to set those. Let's dive right into these. So the first thing you're going to notice, if you've ever installed HIDs or LED bulbs before, is that it almost feels like you're missing something because the driver's been eliminated, or rather, it's built in. In the 4K version, we've got 2 extra chips, 1 on each side, so that's a total of 8 chips per side. This is a silent, fanless design. As you can hear and see, we're not making any bubbles. We'll just give this guy a stir, make sure it's wet everywhere. So without that driver, these truly become a plug and play. Plug it into your light, plug it into your old plug. It does have an adjustable beam. You can take your Allen key and rotate this if need be. Simply back out that screw, give her a twist until you're lined up, and you're done. When we compare them to the 4K with the external driver, size-wise, I mean, oh geez, where did it go? Oh, there it is. I mean, look at that. It's tiny, tiny. Got more chips, 2 more chips. They're brighter, so they still have a great plug, which you don't see in a lot. You'll see these wires exposed and you can pull them out. And these are nice and sealed up, waterproof as we're seeing. These come in a plethora of sizes. 9004, 9005, 9006, 9007, 9012, H4, H7, H8, H10, H11, H13, and H16. Good chance we got these for your car. Truck, Jeep, SUV, motorcycle, quads? Do they fit in quads? Do have 4x6 replacements. Those fit in a lot of quad dirt bikes. Let's talk specs. Input power, 50 watts for the pair. Operating voltage, DC 9 to 32 volts. So yes, you 24 volt guys, we're good to go. Brightness, 5,000 lumens. That's actually why they're called the 5K and the 6K series, in case you didn't know. It's actually lumens, not color temperature. Color temperature, like we were just saying, 6,000 K. So pure white. Waterproof rating, IP67. And I'm seeing that. This video is probably going to be around 2 minutes, but we've been here for 20 minutes at least, because this is not the first take. Cooling method, aircraft grade, blah, blah, blah. We've been here for about 22 minutes. Aircraft grade aluminum, operating life, 30,000 hours, and operating temperature minus 40 degrees to plus 80. Brr to huh. So that's it for the Speed Demon 5K series headlights. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, share. Thanks for all your support. Loki Lights. Cheers.